Did you know that on a daily basis, Americans use enough trash to fill up 63,000 garbage trucks? My topic is about keeping the earth healthy. According to an article by Commonly Health, when we mistreat the earth, we can cause a lot of harm to our own health, such as respiratory issues from air pollution. So when you keep our planet healthy, you are acting as a doctor. I think that everyone should try and keep the earth healthy. In this speech, first we'll talk about what people do to make the earth unhealthy, then we'll discuss how those actions affect the earth, then we'll talk about what people can do to keep the earth clean. People do many things that make the earth unhealthy. One thing people do is drink bottled water. According to an article by Best Life, people have been told to stop drinking bottled water for many years now. Last year, Americans used about 50 million plastic bottles just from water. Plastic water bottles take up to 450 years to biodegrade. Water is a natural resource that should not be placed in a harmful chemical casing when we can just easily get it from a sink. Pesticides people use in their lawns and gardens also have unwanted effects. A 2009 study from the National Center for Biotechnology Information shows overwhelming evidence that pesticides pose a potential risk to humans and have unwanted side effects on the environment too. Pesticides have been linked to cancer, ADHD, and even birth defects. Pesticides contaminate soil, water, and other vegetation. It can be toxic to organisms like birds, fish, insects, and non-targeted plants. You might not realize it, but when using paper towels can also be bad for the environment. The U.S. alone produces over 3,000 tons of paper towel waste in just one day. This number could go way down if more people used reusable towels instead of paper. Our actions affect the earth directly. We know pollution is everywhere, whether it is the trash in the ocean or on the side of the roads, or it's the chemicals in the air. People are constantly polluting the air, water, and soil. According to an article by Interesting Engineering, water pollution is so bad that 2.4 billion people do not have access to clean water resources. Oceans acidification is another one of Earth's big concerns. Ocean acidification happens when CO2 dissolves in the ocean, bonding with seawater, creating carbonic acid. With the global temperature rise and the ocean's acidification, scientists say that a quarter of all coral reefs are considered damaged beyond repair, and 2/3 of them are under serious threat. Coral reefs are home to over 25% of aquatic life. They are also responsible for much of the filtration of the ocean and production of necessary nutrients. Ocean acidification isn't even the only threat to the ocean with plastic pollution, and overfishing the ocean is in serious danger. Deforestation is another threat to the earth. According to international data, an estimated 18 million acres of trees are cut each year to make way for new development and wood products. Deforestation does not just affect the animals that live there, but it also affects humans. Trees are one of the largest producers of oxygen, which clearly affects humans when a lot of trees are being cut down. Humans have a huge impact on the earth, but not all things we do have to be bad. There are many things that can be done to move towards keeping the earth healthy. One thing that you can do is plant a tree. Trees are very important to animals and humans. Trees play many important roles. They filter clean air, provide fresh drinking water, help curb climate change, and create homes for thousands of species. If everyone planted a tree, the earth could be a much healthier place to live. Another thing you can do is recycle. If more people recycled, there would be less trash all over. If we don't do something about all the trash, pretty soon it is going to be a bigger problem than it already is. According to an article by Sea Stewards, there is about 14 billion pounds of trash, mostly plastic, dumped into the ocean every year. Another thing that will help get rid of all the trash in the world is volunteering for trash pickups. If everyone, once a year, spent a day picking up trash, the world could be a much cleaner place. In conclusion, everyone should try and keep the earth a little bit more healthy. First, we talked about what humans do that affect the earth. Then we talked about what those actions are doing to the earth. Then we talked about some things that we could do to keep the earth healthy. So maybe from now on, you will think about how your actions affect the earth, and you will try to make the earth a better place.